In JAJUKA Swift's YouTube video titled, Space Traveler C Programming Beginner Example, the printf and scanf functions were used as a way to display information or read text from the keyboard. In this video, we are going to modify the Space Traveler program to show you how fgets can replace scanf and puts can replace printf. First, we will remove the 2 lines of code associated with scanf and change the code to the following. This line includes the standard input-output library for functions like printf and fgets, and this line includes the string library for string manipulation functions like strcspn. This line is the entry point of the program, and this line declares a character array me with space for 20 characters to store the user's name. Printf prints a welcome message asking for the user's name, and fgets reads a line of input from the user, up to 19 characters plus null terminator, including spaces, and stores it in me. Fgets is a standard C function used to read a line of text from a file or input stream. Me is the destination buffer where the input string will be stored. In this case, it's a character array of size 20. Size of me calculates the total size of the buffer me, which is 20 bytes. It tells fgets to read up to 19 characters, leaving room for the null terminator. This is the standard input stream, typically the keyboard. This tells fgets to read from user input. This section of code finds the position of the new line character in the input string. The entire line replaces the new line with the null terminator. This ensures the string ends cleanly without a new line, and makes the string suitable for printing a name without an extra line. This line greets the user using their name. When you run the program, you get the same result as the original program. Now let's make one more modification to the program in order to understand the puts function. Puts is a standard C function that prints a string to the console followed by a new line character. It's simpler and faster than printf for printing static strings. You can't replace the second printf with puts because it does not support format specifiers like %s. You can't insert the user's name, me, into the string using puts. Once again, you get the same result as the original program.